Pune, 2 millennium old, is a unique city with living heritage. Heritage in its stone and mortar has witnessed incredible contributions to Indian history and cultural evolution. In this, the role Pune played during the freedom struggle spreads over 150 years of particular importance.
The Western education and influence, in fact, helped evolve a defined political thinking among the Indians. Nationalism was brewing. In Pune, these ideas had given birth to reformers such as Mahatma Phule, Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, and revolutionaries such as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, V.D. Savarkar, and many more.
In today's video, we have identified some sites in Pune that are associated with freedom fighters and events related to Indian freedom struggle.
Mahatma Phule Wada. Phule Wada was the resident of two extraordinary reformist and radical social thinkers of the 19th century, Jyotirao Phule and his wife Savitribai Phule. Jyotirao Phule is considered one of the most important social reformists in world history. The Wada that has been witness of history in making is also a religious site for people for whom Phule worked relentlessly. A bust of Mahatma Phule and the well that he and Savitribai Phule generously opened for the untouchables are symbolic representations. The Wada today is maintained by State Archaeology Department of Maharashtra. Mahatma Phule Mandi. The Mandi is a hub of activity. Built by the British in 1886, it was originally named Ray Market after Lord Ray, the governor of Bombay. Many important freedom fighters have addressed large crowds, giving it a label as Mandi Vidyapit. The Mandi was renamed as Mahatma Phule Mandi in 1938. Vinchurkar Wada. The Kesari newspaper was launched here. It was here that Tilak started his first public Ganesh festival. Today, Vinchurkar Wada has been razed down to make space for a modern residential building. Photographs of this grand Wada are displayed at the Kesari Wada. Kesari Wada, earlier known as Gaikwad Wada, is the home of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Wada still houses the office of the Kesari, a Marathi daily. Tilak started the Kesari newspaper along with Gopal Ganesh Agarkar in 1881. The Wada today houses a museum about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The original massive 12-foot wooden door leads to the loggia. The public Ganesh festival, started by Tilak, shifted from Vinchurkar Wada to Kesari Wada in 1905. The Ganapati at Kesari Wada is one of the first 5 most honored Ganapatis in Pune. At the bottom of the staircase to the museum lies the old printing press that Tilak had imported from England. Documents and artifacts that chronicle Tilak's role in the freedom struggle and showcase the extent of his work and his travel are exhibited in the museum. The two biggest attractions though are 2 rooms. One is replica of his room at Kesari Wada, complete with a life-size statue of Tilak at his desk. The other is a replica of his room at Madhyalaya jail. Abhyankar Wada. Empowered and inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's Quit India movement in 1942, angry masses across the country started expressing their unrest against British rule through various media. One such effort was that of running an underground radio station. Abhyankar Wada housed a radio station on its 3rd floor. It would broadcast patriotic songs. It would also broadcast lectures in Hindi. The radio station functioned as a bridge between the national leaders and the local party workers. The British raided and closed the station down after the Capitol Theatre blast. Abhyankar Wada was located in the lane behind the Mandi but does not exist anymore. An old signboard near the entrance of Padmalaya Society provides information of this erstwhile radio station. Adhyay Amrutalaya.
Having started the shop in 1924, Adhyay Amrutalaya is Pune's first and oldest Amrutalaya. The owner of Adhyay Amrutalaya, Vijay Nartekar, explained how his tea shop was passed generation after generation.
माझ्या दुकानाच्या आजच्या तारखेला किंवा आजच्या घडीला 140 वर्ष पूर्ण झालेली आहेत. 42 वर्ष मिठाईचं दुकान चालवलं. आणि 98 वर्ष हे अमृततुल्यचा व्यवसाय अखंडित चालू आहे. तर आता कसं आहे की पिढी दर पिढी आता या धंद्यात आमची जवळपास नाही म्हटलं तरी 5वी पिढी इन्व्हॉल्व आहे. आमचे पणजोबा, आजोबा, वडील, आम्ही आणि आमच्या नंतर आता आमचे भावाची मुलं आणि आमचे फॅमिली मेंबर हे सगळे याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व आहे. म्हणजे जवळपास म्हटलं तर 5 पिढी हा धंदा चालू आहे.
The whole shop has a very authentic Puneri touch with the Vadas and proud Peshwa history adoring the walls.